In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your LinkedIn account temporarily. If you want to take a break from LinkedIn without permanently deleting your account, the best option is LinkedIn's Hibernation feature. This is useful if you want more privacy for a while, or if you simply do not want your profile to be visible. When your account is hibernated, your profile, posts, comments, and endorsements are hidden from everyone, including your existing connections. The good part is that your data is not permanently erased, so you can come back later and reactivate your account. To get started, open LinkedIn and sign in to your account. Once you are on the LinkedIn homepage, look at the top of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps the main controls for your account, security, and visibility. After the settings page opens, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click Account Preferences. This section includes general account options, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct place before moving on. Next, scroll down until you find the Account Management section. In that area, look for the option labeled Hibernate Account and click it. LinkedIn may show you some information explaining what happens when your account is placed into hibernation. Read through it carefully so you understand that your profile and activity will be hidden temporarily rather than deleted. After that, LinkedIn will ask you to choose a reason for taking a break. Select the option that best matches your situation, then enter your password to verify that it is really you making the change. This is a normal security step, and it helps protect your account from unauthorized actions. Once everything is filled in, click Hibernate Account to confirm. After you do that, your LinkedIn account will be placed into hibernation and your profile and content will no longer be visible to others. If you decide to return later, you can simply sign back in and follow LinkedIn's prompts to reactivate your account. So if you only need a temporary break, hibernation is a simple and safe option, and that's all.